what we're checking for today is slippage on these things, on the Walter's Wisdom and Adventures. Had a video today about do these things slip, so I thought I'd come down and check out on 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, and then there's a 5th one that's used for cross-cutting slabs, and it has a guard on it. Okay, can I move this one or not? No, I cannot. I don't think it's rusted on. Okay, so now, all right. I didn't even crank that up. I could twist that even tighter, but let's just see right now. Nope, I can't budge it even, and I can crank it even tighter. So there's 2 I'm not able to budge. Okay, these 2, Craftsman, I wasn't able to budge. That other one over there. And anyway, let's see, where is it? Can I move this at all? It takes a huge amount of effort, but it moved. I want to say Montgomery Ward. Go way over there. Oh, we got a couple more to look at over here. Anyway. Okay, it's not very, this part here is not very tight right now. So it might move. Yeah, it does. Let's crank it down. Nope, it will not move. It does not move. And same kind of setup. And though this is different, this is set up for potato. Love it. You'll see that they just appear longer. And lastly, oh, somebody took them off over here. This is one I also use for cross-cutting. This one ripping. This one dado crosscut, and the one in the distance slab crosscut to 16-inch lengths for firewood. All right, I don't know, that's about it, I think. Everybody, okay, so there we go.